welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop. You might have seen the post, I'll put a local base somewhere referring to me fitting this engine cover for my Beetle as a canopy for my workshop door. Well, it needs a light going in it ideally, so it lights up as a step in and step out. So I bought something, a kit. I thought it was more complicated to fit as it was, but I'll show you what I've got. I'm going to fit it. So I bought this cheap solar wall lamp, solar powered. Comes with a solar panel, as you can see. Put it off eBay. I can't think I paid more than about 12 or 13 quid for it. Bought it specifically because it came in two parts. One, it's got a sensor for detecting movement, so it'll instantly light us open, the shed will walk up to it. And it's got a solar panel which you can mount on top of the canopy for power and to charge the battery up. And I thought it would be more complicated to fit than this. It comes with these two, which slide into these. I thought the easiest way to do this is to drill these out a little bit more. Use a bolt, drill a couple of holes in the canopy, and literally put them on either side. And that's it. And there's enough holes in there to pass this through. And then I'll just wrap this around the base of this once it's in place to store the excess wire. So what I thought was going to be quite a complicated setup, it's going to be pretty quick. So let's get back out there, get a ladder out, get these marked up and get some holes drilled. Okay, I need to drill this hole out a bit bigger to get the wire through. So there it's all fitted. All the excess wires just ran around the bottom. I could have trimmed it, but decided to leave it as it was, and I'll put a joint in it. Underneath, that's the light unit fitted. Again, I've either seen I put a grommet through where the wire passes through. I put a couple of knots top and bottom for stress relief. The whole thing's held together, as I said before, in the shed with two M5 bolts, just with some washers. It's holding quite well, so just need to test it tonight now, make sure it's all working, because at the moment the battery in the light part is charging. So I'll shoot some video later, hopefully showing it working with the motion sensor. But yeah, if this might be useful to you if you've got if you need to put a solar light somewhere, just as an idea as well. But yeah, hope it was useful, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Cheers.